Are you looking to switch your Twitter profile to Entrepreneur on PC? Follow these simple steps to make the change. Start by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the button in the top right labeled Edit Profile. Now, scroll down until you find the option to edit your professional profile and click on it. Look for the category section and click on it. In the search bar, type in Entrepreneur and select it from the options provided. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button to apply the changes. By following these steps, you can easily update your Twitter profile to reflect your entrepreneurial spirit. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your social media presence. Remember, a strong online presence can help you connect with like-minded individuals and grow your business. So take the time to ensure your profile accurately represents who you are and what you do. With these simple steps, you'll be on your way to showcasing your entrepreneurial journey on Twitter.